Maggie, can you turn around so I can see you?
Oh, right there. Okay, sit down and open it. You can pull all the paper off. Pull.
Then I am going to open this too.
No, you guys open yours. Let Maggie open hers, please, okay?
Hi, Maggie. And you have to take a paper off of one button when you wipe. And this one. And here you go. Well.
Pull, Maggie.
You tear this off like this. So you tear this off like that on Maggie's pleasure. Well.
Maggie, are you going to do it?
Here you go, Maggie.
You look asleep still.
I can't say it.
Okay, Maggie, here you go. What's in there?
Let her do it, Rex.
Ooh. Let's put it in. Here's the orange cup for Maggie. And orange cup. It's in my own cup. Here's a toothbrush for Maggie.
Maggie, what's on your pajamas?
Is it fruit? I want diamonds.
Yeah, we told Grandma and Grandpa gave those to you. What do you say?
Yeah.
Thank you?
I love you. Well, Maggie open this present.
Okay, why don't you give it to her, see if she wants to open it. Can you hand it to Maggie, please?
Hey, Maggie, there you go. Another present you want.
Let-
Present.
Okay, open it. Rex, hand it to her so she can open it, please.
Well, Maggie, but, you have to tear this open so I can see it. I said, you tear that open? Yes, you can. So you tear it off like that.
There you go, Maggie. Pull.
Well, Maggie I'm tearing Maggie's present off. Ooh, that's so cute, Maggie. What is that? Maybe something. Ooh, I have something too, Maggie. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, what is that? Ready?
Here, I need some help.
Rex, bring it closer to Maggie, please.
There you go. Okay, Maggie, here you go.
Ready, set, go!
What is it, Maggie?
Pink cows and washcloths.
Aren't those cute?
Ooh, those are cute, Maggie.
Yeah, they are. Maggie, what do you tell Grandma and Grandpa?
That's all the stuff you got.
Yeah, what do you say, Maggie?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Grandpa. Say thank you.
Is Maggie showing her tooth?